You're watching Tech Vibe, where we talk about gadgets that aim to change the way we live. Today we are looking at the Xiaomi Smart AI glasses. They are not just a regular pair of glasses. They are a wearable device that puts AI and smart features right in front of your eyes. From the outside, they look like normal glasses. They are light, minimal, and easy to wear. But behind this simple look, there is a lot of technology. Xiaomi has tried to make them both stylish and useful. You can wear them to work, on the street, or even while relaxing at home. The build feels solid yet not heavy. The frame is made from high-quality materials that do not feel cheap. The hinges are firm, so the arms do not feel loose over time. The design is also balanced so the weight does not press too much on your nose. If you have worn other smart glasses before, you know comfort matters a lot. These manage to stay comfortable for hours. One of the main features is the tiny display, built into the lens area. It is not like a phone screen in your face. It is more like a small floating window you can glance at when you need information. The display is clear even in daylight. You can read messages, see navigation, or check notifications without pulling out your phone. The AI inside is designed to work in real time. You can ask it questions, get translations, or control features with your voice. If you are traveling, the instant translation is very useful. You can look at a sign in another language, and it will show the translation right on the lens. It feels futuristic, but it works surprisingly well in daily life. The glasses also have a built-in camera. It is small and almost hidden in the frame. It is good for quick photos or videos without reaching for your phone. For people who like capturing moments fast, this is very handy. The quality is not the same as a flagship phone, but for social media or quick sharing, it is fine. Audio is another important part of the experience. These glasses have open-ear speakers built into the arms. You can hear calls, music, or notifications without putting anything in your ears. At the same time, people around you do not clearly hear what you are listening to unless they are very close. This is perfect for walking around, cycling, or working without blocking outside sounds. The microphone pickup is clean, so calls sound good. Even in a noisy street, your voice stays clear enough. For short meetings or hands-free chats, they work well. Battery life depends on how much you use the AI and display. With moderate use, you can get through most of a day. If you keep the display on all the time, it will drain faster. Charging is simple with the magnetic connector. It snaps on easily and starts charging without fiddling. In real life, these glasses start to feel like a personal assistant. If you get a message, you can check it instantly without picking up your phone. If you are cooking and need a recipe step, you can ask the AI while keeping your hands free. If you are cycling in a new city, navigation appears in front of you, so you do not need to stop. Compared to other smart glasses on the market, Xiaomi's approach feels more balanced. Some brands focus only on style but forget features. Others pack too much tech and make them heavy or awkward. These find a middle ground, offering real features in a wearable you can actually use daily. The AI performance is fast. You do not wait long for translations or answers. Voice recognition works with natural speaking, so you do not have to talk like a robot. This makes them feel natural to use, like talking to a friend who always has answers. Of course, there are limits. The small display is not for watching videos or reading long texts. It is for quick glances. The camera is good for moments, but not for professional shots. And the AI still depends on connectivity for many features. If you are offline, some functions will be limited. But even with these limits, the glasses can change how you use technology daily. They reduce the need to pull out your phone every few minutes. They give you instant access to small but important bits of information, and they do it in a way that does not block your view of the real world. For people who are always on the move, this can be a big upgrade. Imagine going to the airport. You can check your boarding gate and time just by glancing. You can get real-time translation when you speak to staff. You can even check your hotel address without digging through your phone. If you work in a fast-paced job, you can get meeting reminders or updates while walking between rooms. If you are a cyclist or runner, you can track your route and pace while staying aware of traffic. If you are a traveler, you can navigate streets in a new city without stopping to check a map. Xiaomi has also tried to make the design fit most face shapes. The nose pads are adjustable. The frame comes in different sizes. This matters because glasses are not like phones. They sit on your face all day. One thing that surprised me is how quickly I got used to them. At first, I thought I might feel strange wearing tech on my face. But after a few days, they just felt normal. They became part of my routine, like a smartwatch. The control system is simple. You can use voice, touch, or even head movements for some features. This means you can still control them if your hands are full. The touch controls on the arms are smooth and responsive. A swipe or tap is enough to switch functions. In terms of safety, the camera indicator lights up when recording. This is important so people know when you are filming. Xiaomi clearly thought about privacy concerns here. The glasses also connect easily to your phone. Once paired, they sync notifications and updates without issues. The companion app lets you adjust settings, update software, and check battery. Overall, these glasses are not just a tech experiment, they are something you can actually use every day. They save you small moments that add up. They make technology feel closer but less distracting. If you are into gadgets, you will enjoy them for the innovation. If you are a busy person, you will enjoy them for the convenience. And if you travel, you will enjoy them for the real-time help they give. The Xiaomi Smart AI glasses show that wearable tech is moving forward. They are not perfect, but they are a step toward a future where you do not have to pull out a device for everything. Instead, your information is right where you need it, and your hands stay free. That is it for today's review on Tech Vibe. If you enjoyed this deep look, make sure to stay tuned for more smart gadgets.